Another round of severe weather is unfortunately coming to parts of the state of Michigan Thursday, March 26th. This is the severe weather outlook issued by the Storm Prediction Center once we get into later Thursday, March 26th. Now, this is going to be a cold front starting in the north, working its way to the south. The further south it gets, it'll have warmer and warmer air coming its way until it gets down into Ohio and Indiana, where honestly, 70s, maybe even some 80s are possible. We won't be that warm up here, so that's why we mainly just have a marginal chance for severe storms as they start to develop, as the line starts to gain intensity as it moves down to the south. So think of it as kind of like just a fraction of a chance to the north, and chances getting better and better and better and better the further down to the south you go. And that's what's going to be happening into Thursday evening. Here's a look at the timing of those storms. Now, this is 5 o'clock later on into the afternoon and evening for your Thursday. We'll have a couple rumblers around the Saginaw Bay area, maybe even over to the Thumb. Now, that little bit of a gap between West Michigan over towards Saginaw, that could be filled in, but also I do think we're going to see things develop and become a little more strong too in that area as it starts to go down to the south a little bit. Now, over the next couple of hours, notice by 7 o'clock, that's when we really start to see the possibility of those storms develop. So pretty much anywhere along and south of 94. Yes, this model kind of has a bullseye over toward northwestern Indiana, but again, that could easily fill in a little bit over to the east as well, especially when we have some more humid conditions in place with dew points going all the way up into the 60s in some cases. And like I said, this is brief. This is 8 o'clock right here. 9 o'clock, there's the possibility for some more severe storms. And then by 10, we're pretty much done with it. We start to clear out and then get very, very cold by the time we get into Friday.